Received an encrypted 7EN archive that requires special handling for security. These contain password-protected compressed files with strong encryption. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through accessing these 7-zip encrypted archive files. To quickly determine if the 7.en file is recoverable, try opening it with a robust, universal file viewer. I'll provide a link to my tried-and-true software here and later on. A compressed archive created by the 7-zip file archiver, where the contents have been secured with AES-256 encryption. Users create these files to protect sensitive data, requiring a password to view or extract the files within. It offers both the high compression of 7-zip and strong data security. The file uses the same LZMA LZMA2 compression algorithms as a standard 7Z file, but includes an encrypted header and data blocks. This structure is designed so that without the correct password, the file's contents and even its file names are computationally infeasible to access, ensuring data confidentiality. 7-zip from Igor Pavlov offers a certified solution for the 7EN file type. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows provides no readable preview, so the correct decryption method is required for access. The solution begins by systematically testing the programs. Right-click the 7EN file and choose Open With. Use 7-zip as your first choice. If it fails, select another program. Be methodical in your testing. If the 7EN file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. Your system failed to open the 7EN file. We need to bypass the failure by running these 3 crucial diagnostic steps right now. First, extracting with 7-zip. Install 7-zip from 7zip.org for Windows, or use compatible alternatives like Kika for Mac. Right-click the 7EN file and select 7-zip, then extract here or extract to. Enter the correct password when prompted. 7-zip validates the password and extracts the decrypted contents to the specified location with original file structure preserved. Next, password recovery. If you forgot the password for 7EN files, try password recovery tools like Advanced Archive, Password Recovery, or commercial alternatives. These tools use dictionary brute force or sophisticated attacks to recover passwords. Note that strong AES-256 encryption is extremely resistant to brute force, making password recovery often impractical without significant computational resources. Finally, alternative archive tools. Many archive utilities support 7-zip encrypted formats, including WinRAR, pzip, and BandyZip. Install alternative tools and attempt to open 7EN files with the correct password. Different applications provide varying user interfaces and features, but all maintain compatibility with the standard 7-zip encryption format for cross-platform access. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.